Joe's kicking off his ride tomorrow morning right near where he grew up. He's in Carbondale tomorrow, Jeremy. How about that?
And could he ask for better weather, Scott?
That's a question
humidity?
for you.
Well, that's true. But you know what? This is fantastic weather for Joe or anyone who has any outdoor plans. Today was a little shaky in the morning. We had those clouds, a few spot sprinkles. But once that exited in the afternoon, we had lots of sunshine take over, and we got the sunshine in the forecast for your day tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday as well. So maybe you spent part of your day like these two, sent in from our viewer Terry, adorable photo, and she calls this one the dog days of summer. And I just love how much they were enjoying the weather that we had in the pool. And you know, these aren't the only two cool pups cooling off in the pool. These two, Sadie and Fergie, were cooling off in a creek in Luzerne County. From Elaine, thank you so much for sending this one in. So we got lots of pups out there in the water, taking advantage of the wonderful weather that we're having, and hopefully you're doing the same as we have wonderful weather on tap for the next 3 days. It's a perfect pool day, a perfect creek day if you plan on cooling off there in Kingston. There's what it looks like live in Lycoming County in Williamsport, and I just checked this before I came out on air because I couldn't believe my eyes. Do you see this orange speck? That's the moon. It just rose at 11:02, and since there's a nice uninhibited horizon there in Lycoming County, from this viewpoint, we're able to see the rising waning gibbous moon. It's on its way to third quarter phase. Pretty cool shot, and if you can see the horizon from where you live, you probably would be able to see that rising moon as well. Here's what it looks like on satellite and radar. Perfect clear skies, not just across the Commonwealth, but now up the entire northeast coast. We got this cold front that moved through, and that's ushering in wonderful weather. We have high pressure in control now all the way through Sunday, and that's what's responsible for giving us wonderful weather. Current view in Wilkes-Barre, just a few clouds there looking towards the south. A star visible too. Current temperature on the thermometer, 67 degrees. We had a high today in Scranton at 82, and we have winds coming out of the north at 6. Today's highs got up into the mid-80s for Williamsport, 85 there, 84 as a high for Selinsgrove, 82 for Avoca. Got up to 74 in Mount Pocono. Tomorrow, about the same. We start to crank up the heat for Saturday and Sunday to the mid-80s, if not upper 80s, and Sunday we could see the 90-degree mark. Temperatures now in the 60s for a lot of us, except for Lewisburg, still sitting at 71, and currently dropping down to the 50s for the Poconos and for the highest elevations of Sullivan County. Lopez, the icebox of our region, 54 currently, and I could see us getting down to the 40s tonight in those higher elevations. With all that clear sky, it allows us to cool off. Heat is allowed to escape to space when we don't have clouds to hold it in like a blanket. So it's going to continue to cool off through the overnight tonight, throughout tomorrow morning. Probably right before sunrise, we'll see a lot of us in the 50s. I'm forecasting 57 as an overnight low for Wilkes-Barre and Scranton. Remaining clear overnight through your entire day on Friday. Similar story for Saturday. Fantastic skies, just a few high clouds. And Sunday, maybe a mix of sun and clouds as those clouds maybe spill in from the east, which is something that normally doesn't happen, but we see a low pressure system riding up the northeastern corridor. It'll remain comfortable throughout the entire weekend as far as humidity values. Then those humidity values start to creep up early next week and then through much of the week ahead. So enjoy the weather that we have. It's going to be fantastic with low humidity. If you're taking a trip down the shore, looks fantastic for a beach forecast. It's not often that we have so many green boxes. Only red one is UV index, and of course that's going to be high as a result of all the sunshine. So just have the sunscreen on. Otherwise, water temperature and air temperature down at the Jersey Shore looks fantastic. There's your 7-day forecast. 83 is a high for tomorrow, so about similar to today, only a lot more sunshine, low humidity. Keeping that low humidity through the weekend, but the temperatures start to creep up towards 90. So Joe's got a fantastic day for his day 5 of Go Joe 27. And if you plan on joining him out there, you won't need the umbrella, that's for sure.
Well, it's at Marywood for St. Joe's tomorrow night. Great stuff.
And I'll be there.
I might pop by too. What do you think about that?
I look forward to seeing you there, Scott.
All right, Jeremy. Where can you find